Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up OTG connection on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we have 3 ways how to do it. Let me show you the first one. For that, open settings on your phone and then scroll to the end of this page. Here, go to this tab which says About Phone, then scroll a little bit lower and open this tab which says Software Information. Here, we would need to find this build number and click on it 7 times to unlock the developer options. So, as you can see, I have already unlocked it, so let's move in. So they will be right under this tab which says About Phone, so click on it, then click on this search icon and type in USB. Here we would need to find tab which says Default USB Configuration, click on it, then click on it one more time and switch it to the transferring files. Now let's move on to the second way. For that, we will need to go back to the developer options and still enter the same word USB. Here we would need to find this tab USB debugging and then enable this function. Now there's left only one way, and for that we would need to open our phone and enter this combination of symbols and numbers, which is *#0808#. After this will appear this menu on your screen in which we would need to leave the MTP plus ADB, but if you have any other option you would need to switch it to this one that I have currently chosen. Then click OK and this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.